This week we're on the road to Remington, Virginia for the Remington Lions Club car show. This is just a really nice show, a lot of nice people. We're going to bring it to you right now. But before we do, we would like for you to subscribe, give us a like, hit the bell so you know when we got a new video coming out.
Worth them tickets.
So this is an 84 Grand National. This is a nice car. But it's got a 454 big block in it. So this is a 1950 Ford custom pickup truck. It's done really nice. It's got a really neat little front end in it there, you can see. Got the road lamps down in the bumper. This is just a really nice little truck. So this is a 1951 Chevrolet pickup. It's got really nice chrome on it. I really like the two-tone paint, the yellow on the bottom and the blue on the top. It's just done really nice. This is a cool little truck. So this is a 72 Chevelle. It's a Pro Street car with a big block motor. Really put together nice. Nice paint scheme on the car. This is probably really bad. This will get it done quick. '69 Camaro Ss with a 396. '41 Willys pickup. This is a 28 Ford two-door sedan, Model A. Got these little inboard turn signals. You see them right here. That's pretty cool. So this is a 63 Chevrolet Impala, small block Chevrolet. Love this color, it's a cranberry color. This is just a really nice car. '67 Ford Fairlane.
What is it?
The 289. '52 Ford. This is our 1974 C3 Corvette. Got a 383 stroker motor in it. Runs pretty good. And this is just one of the many tri-powers that we have for sale. If you have General Motors and you need parts or help with your tri-power, give us a call. And this is a 31 two-door Ford sedan. This is a small block Chevrolet with a 350 turbo automatic trans, brand new Budnick's wheels. Give us a call, 571-221-2095. Now let's get back to the Remington Lions Club car show. This is a 72 Chevelle Ss, and this is an original car. I don't see a whole lot of modifications on it. You can see it's got the original horseshoe shifter. This is a 56 Chevrolet. '37 Chevrolet two-door. Got a big block motor on it with 2 4s. So you can bet this bad boy will get it done for you. '57 Chevrolet. It's a '66 Fairlane. So the owner told me this had a 429 police interceptor engine, so it probably goes really well.